Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Mr-EpiC-UnBoxer here with another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the Logitech C922. I've been trying to get my hands on this camera for a long time, since I've started doing YouTube videos. I did manage to order one just before Christmas and then it didn't arrive. They've just come back in stock now and I've managed to bag one. So today's video is just going to be unboxing it, having a look what's in the box, just initial thoughts on how it feels, and then at a later date I will release a review for it and maybe a comparison video, because I also have the Logitech Stream Cam as well. I've got to say, on first looks at just the box, it really doesn't look all that amazing. The box come to me, it was pretty beaten. It doesn't look as if it's very well protected. I've unboxed obviously some Elgato products and their packaging is like really top quality. So I mean, compared to an Elgato product, it is lacking some in the packaging. But we'll pop it open and we'll see what's inside. Just a quick look on the front of the box there. So obviously it's saying 1080 at 30 FPS if it's going to focus on it. And then 720 at 60 FPS. And it says it comes with a tripod as well inside, so we shall have a look. As you open it up, just some simple diagram instructions. Okay. So literally as you open it up, this is how it looks. So the camera is just right there. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it doesn't feel as if it is very protected, and with how some deliveries can be, I think I would have liked a little bit more protection. Okay, so here's the camera itself. I did, when I first started out, I had this camera here, which is obviously a lookalike. This camera was a little bit shocking, to be honest. It was alright from the first camera, but after seeing what I could achieve with a better quality camera, I could say I'd never go back. So here's the camera. Looks like obviously you got this bit to hook on top of your monitor. You have your little bit on the bottom to put it on a tripod. I'll have a look at the tripod now. Tripod feels nice. It's a pretty decent tripod with it. So I mean, here's the camera on the tripod. It's too high for my camera now, but move it back a little bit. Feels a little bit lopsided. Not much adjustment for that. But yes, I mean, it feels like it'd be easy to fall over as well. Maybe I've got the weight distribution wrong a little bit. If I maybe try and turn it so it's like that. There you go, that's a bit better. But yeah, so that's on the tripod. Just your usual USB port here. Whereas obviously the Logitech Stream Camera's got a USB-C. But yes, I mean, overall, it's an okay looking camera. Obviously I'm going to be testing it out, seeing what kind of quality I can get out of it. I mean, I've heard loads of good things about the C920 and the C922s. Everybody always raves about them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play about with it for a little bit until I get a good grasp of how to use it. And then after that I can make a more informed review on it. And then maybe also do a video comparing it to the Logitech Stream Cam. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you in the next one.